The Galaxy S24 Ultra has sparked a whirlwind of discussions and debates, with enthusiasts and critics sharing their insights on the device's enhancements. While the physical changes are subtle, the real game-changer lies in the realm of software, where Samsung has invested significantly in AI-powered features. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the strengths, weaknesses, and controversies surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. As pre-orders flood in and the release date set for January 31 approaches, potential buyers are pondering whether the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a worthy investment or a gadget to pass up. Fear not, as I've spent considerable hands-on time with the device, allowing me to offer valuable insights into its features and drawbacks. Undoubtedly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts an impressive array of AI-powered features, designed not as mere gimmicks, but as genuinely useful tools enhancing your smartphone experience. The Circle to Search feature, a collaboration with Google, allows for instantaneous searches without interrupting your current activity. It's a game-changer for quick access to information. Live translate steps in when language barriers arise, providing real-time translations during phone calls. Chat Assist makes texting more effective and entertaining by offering useful suggestions, while the built-in Notes app with AI features automatically organizes and formats your notes, saving you time and effort. In the realm of photo editing, the S24 Ultra shines with AI-driven functions that turn ordinary photos into stunning slow-motion masterpieces. The generative AI editing tool is a photographer's dream, enabling modifications, resizing, and even item removal from images. Addressing a common gripe from earlier Ultra models, the S24 Ultra introduces a flat display, making it easier to hold and interact with elements near the screen's edges. The new screen boasts a maximum brightness of 2600 nits, a significant improvement from its predecessor, ensuring a brilliant display in any lighting condition. The system on chip, SoC, varies depending on your location, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 being a significant triumph for the S24 Ultra. This SoC not only enhances performance but also manages power more efficiently, contributing to the device's remarkable AI capabilities. Initial battery tests reveal that the Galaxy S24 Ultra lasts nearly 11 hours while browsing on cellular data, even with the adaptive refresh rate enabled. This feature, which can scale up to 120 Hz under intense on-screen activity, showcases the device's ability to balance performance and power efficiency. While the camera setup sees minor changes, the addition of a new 50-megapixel telephoto lens and a 60% increase in pixel size for the primary 200-megapixel sensor results in brighter and more colorful photographs. The S24 Ultra appears to be a worthy successor for photography enthusiasts, outshining its competition in terms of image quality. Samsung adopts titanium frames, making the S24 Ultra more robust than its predecessors. The introduction of Gorilla Armor enhances scratch resistance, making the device 4 times more durable than other tough glass alternatives. Despite these features, investing in a reliable cover and screen protector is recommended for optimal protection. In a significant policy shift, Samsung now offers an impressive 7 years of software and security support for the S24 series. This extended support ensures that users can enjoy the latest updates and security features for an extended period, a crucial consideration given the device's premium price tag. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra presents a compelling mix of cutting-edge features and durability enhancements. From AI-powered tools to improved display, camera innovations, and extended software support, the device aims to cater to the diverse needs of smartphone users. Whether it's a worthwhile investment or not depends on your priorities and preferences. What are your thoughts on the S24 lineup? Have you pre-ordered your device? Share your opinions in the comments below, and for the latest updates, stay tuned to our channel. Until next time, peace out.